How IEM public school is solely responsible for grooming a student. Other kind of analysis.
Yes,
My analysis and your analysis is different.
Definitely, council wants that.
So, ma'am, third question, which is a very most important question, जो बहुत लोगों ने मेरे को पूछ रहे थे, this is a new syllabus. भैया, please ask these questions to ma'am. Is that, ma'am, which three most important poems and stories are likely to come? I know that being a CIC teacher, you are not liable. You know everything I know, and we can't tell you because अगर मैम से कुछ बोल ही देगा, तो एग्जाम का कोई मतलब नहीं बनेगा. But still, ma'am, just give a hint or idea which are the most important or weightage.
Because they are appearing for the first time with Macbeth,
yeah,
and with poems and short stories. My advice, not as a teacher but as a mother, as I would have taught my children at home, I teach you. In the same way, I will say please don't leave out it.
Okay.
Number one. But going by that, as you are talking about Tagore, Tagore is definitely very important. Go to the last poem and the short story.
The Cookie Lady.
Yes, the short story. They are also very likely to be there. But again, I repeat, don't go by the first and the last.
Atithi, Cookie Lady.
You have to study everything totally because
Definitely.
you are appearing for the first time with a new
syllabus. Ma'am, for poems,
the same type we always do it.
Okay.
The first and the last.
Most important.
But it should be with concentration to all, because now we don't have any choice.
Yes, because see,
we cannot say
definitely,
that this will not come and that will not come.
They have to go for the short part.
They have to, and they have to follow the word limit. That is very, very simple.
Important. Ma'am, how IEM public school is solely responsible for grooming a student from pre-boards? You don't have, you have pre-boards from 2nd of December. 10th December
yes.
is 2nd December. What you have
no,
said?
2nd December we are starting
with pre-boards.
Ma'am,
school क्या जानबूझ के pre-boards में number कम देता है? Because a lot of students they are asking this kind of question.
This is an idea. I will tell you, board correction and school correction are different. That every student knows.
Marking
that
scheme,
teacher, yes, different. Why? Because if you are getting too much in your pre-board, you become overconfident.
Definitely.
But that does not mean if you deserve 80, a teacher will give you 40. No. It can be a difference of 10%.
Okay.
Suppose we understand that in the boards you are going to get 80, maybe you are expected to get 80 by the answers that you have written for your pre-board. The teacher deliberately will give you 70 to 75% so that you don't gather wings. You don't fly. We want you to fly at ISC,
definitely,
not in the school level.
Ma'am,
that is our idea.
Second last question is that how should one approach answers, like complete the sentence which are there in our like part 2 or in part 1, because a lot of students they are facing this kind of difficulties that we are reasoning समझ में नहीं आ रहा and we are unable to give proper reason. So for that reason marks is being cut.
Yes, that is why I told you have to understand the poem well, you have to understand the story well, you have to understand Macbeth very well. Suppose if the one line answer is there, Lady Macbeth is guilty because she has understood her crime. One line, full
finish.
Marks.
But ma'am, in the story like Cookie Lady,
yes,
there is no significant ending was there.
Cookie Lady is an open-ended story.
Yes ma'am. So on that case, what they can do?
On that case, you are asked to analyze yourself. What I have liked about the lady.
Ma'am, it might be that you are like feeling some kind of other kind of analysis.
Yes,
my analysis and your analysis is different.
Definitely, council wants that. You give your own analysis with a justification. I can say
justification definitely. Yeah.
That the Cookie Lady is very bad. Why? Because I don't like this character of hers. What character you don't like? That you have to specify.
Mention. Okay.
If you say I like the Cookie Lady, why? Because I like this trait of hers. Any answer for an open-ended story with a justification is given marks by the council. Rest assured, you will all get marks for the council. Very good marks. Just understand, comprehend and write.
Okay.
I know definitely with your hard work and patience, you will score well. Just do not worry.
Ma'am, last question, but not the least. Ma'am, how IM Public School groom student from pre-boards to boards?
We at IM Public School is fully dedicated to the understanding of the text, giving them practice papers, mock papers according to the time limit, and correcting according to the board style, definitely with a bit of control on our marks. I told you the control on our marks is very, very significant, because we want our children to shine at the boards.
Definitely.
So if we allow them that gap, that this is your shortcoming, they will definitely work for the remaining days and score above 90%.
Yeah.
That is the way we aspire towards
Students in
our
IM
future.
Public School. So this is for it. If anyone have any kind of question regarding IM Public School, or if you want to get your admission in class 11, on that case, नीचे दिए गए number पे call or come to the school and asked about inquiry about this all these things after ICC. So thanks a lot, ma'am. In the next video, we're going to give you everything about language. So stay tuned and keep watching Akash Talks. Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you, ma'am.
that is a very important part that Akash has pointed out. Language is a very important scenario of ours.